Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a YouTube TV user wanting more channels, better features, or higher quality streaming, upgrading your subscription is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and easily. First, a quick refresher. YouTube TV is Google's live TV streaming service that offers cable-free viewing with thousands of shows and on-demand content. The basic plan is great, but upgrading unlocks premium perks like unlimited DVR storage, multi-view options, and access to sports packages or 4K streaming. So, why upgrade? It depends on your needs. Maybe you want to watch more live events or add family sharing. Whatever the reason, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your YouTube TV account. You can do this on the app, website, or any compatible device. Make sure you're using the same email and password linked to your subscription. Step 2. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings or Membership. Step 3. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Plans section. You'll see your current plan and options to upgrade. Step 4. Browse the available plans, compare features like channel add-ons or resolution upgrades, and pick the one that fits your budget. Step 5. If it's your first upgrade, you might need to enter or confirm your payment details. YouTube TV uses secure methods, so don't worry about that. Step 6. Review the changes, including any price adjustments, and hit Confirm or Upgrade Now. Your changes should take effect right away or within a few minutes. One tip. Check for ongoing promotions on the YouTube TV website to save money. Also, ensure your device supports the new features. And there you have it. Your YouTube TV subscription is now upgraded. You'll love the enhanced experience. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.